Hello, welcome to my second part of making a little dolly cake. So, I've rolled out just some sugar sort of gum paste here. It's just a nice level, quite thinly. And here I'm going to take the tool cutter, of which I've placed the larger section in, but you can go smaller or larger depending on what levels you want. And now we're just going to take the cutter and we're going to place it onto our board, and we're just going to give it a good press. Okay, we're just going to take away the excess. Just a little bit more. Take away the excess. And then we're left with the section here, which if we just push out, and I'm just going to push this, make sure this middle bit's definitely done. Take the circle away. Use that for our second one so we don't waste that. And we're left, as you can see, with the circle here. Now I'm just going to get a knife because we're just going to cut that in half. So I've got my knife here and we're just going to cut the circle, literally one here and one here, and here we're left with the two ruffles. So if we take these now over to the board, over here, we're going to place one of the ruffles down onto the board. I then take an instrument like this, but you can use anything you feel will give a sort of ruffle to the instrument, to the fondant. So you take your ruffle on the first bit, and then I just push down and up, and you'll get a little curl. I do the same again into each section. As you can see, it just starts to curl up. So each little section just curls. So I'm going to take my baton and do that all the way across, hard as I can onto the foam board. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now in the past I've also used an embosser, so you can actually emboss this as well, but now you've got a little frill. And then what you will do eventually, and here you can see the cake, just swap round the, here's the cake, and then you can literally start to place your frills around the cake and build it up. I would always start at the bottom and then we'll layer it up as we go. So we take our second piece here, which you'll see, nice picture of my, we'll take the second layer here, which is flat, do the same again, roll it, 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 keep going, keep going. And our next bit, when I've come to you, I'm going to make loads and loads of these ruffles, and then I'm going to show you pasting them onto the actual cake. So that, and part 3 will be making the actual skirt of the dolly. There you go.